Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to uninstall MySQL 8.0.32 from your Windows 10 or from Windows 11. So click on Start, then Settings, and here guys you have to click on this Apps. Then here click on Installed Apps. Now in this list you have to find out MySQL. This one, MySQL shell 8.0.32. Then click on this three dot, then click on uninstall. Again click on uninstall and complete this uninstalling process. And once this complete guys, just you have to restart your system. So this is the method guys, you can uninstall any software or any program. Just find out settings and apps, then installed apps, and here you will see a list of programs. You have to click on this three dot and uninstall. So thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.